haven't been in there very long though at this point.
I've been here for 44 minutes.
Okay.
And the call came in at 11:20. And that person called. Yeah, well, it's not right to have your dog in that vehicle.
Yes, right.
And I'm going to give you a citation for having two animals in a motor vehicle.
Okay. Fine.
Excuse me.
Huh? What?
What was that?
What? Where you gonna ticket us for having dogs?
Yeah.
For keeping our dogs with us, dude?
In your car, yes.
Okay.
So I will need.
So what's your name? What's your name and ID number?
It's right on there.
Is that what you tell the judge?
Yelgers, Victor 208.
There's a deputy right there. Is that what you said?
I'm sorry.
Deputy right here. Can you state your name and ID number, please?
Yeah, Victor 208, Yelgers.
Thank you. Can you state your name and dad's number?
Officer McClatchy, Victor 1669.
Thank you for your professionalism.
So, like I said, it is legal in Prescott Valley to have a dog in a hot car.
Okay.
Is it hot? It ain't fucking hot, is it?
He said it's 108.
That ain't fucking hot, though.
Yes, we have temperature readings and are able to do that. Okay. We have all the readings and the dogs are distressed because they're panting and they're not doing well in the hot car. Okay, I got you. And they've been here for quite a few hours. All right, I got you. If you could step away so I could step in my vehicle, please.
It's fucking, it's alright, dude. It's all it is pirates and pirates. That's all it is fucking road pirates, dude. We're gonna pay their check, then we gotta pay the taxes on their fucking check. Now we gotta pay them again for something shit.
I knew this was happening.
Oh, what the hell are you supposed to do? What are we supposed to do when we ain't got no family, don't know nobody here? Are you gonna pay for them?
Is there a place around here that we can take our dogs through the daytime that you know of? I got you, and I understand. And also, that consider leaving a dog in a vehicle unattended.
So what are y'all giving us a ticket and we're homeless and they don't have the fucking money? Isn't that a fucking abuse too? Seriously. Isn't that neglect too? Sir, you can shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to you no more, dude. Yeah, just get the fucking ticket, dude, and get the fuck out of here and do the fucking job, dude, please.
We need help just as well as everybody else.
You know, you was unprofessional with you was unprofessional with me anyway. I really don't want to speak with you no more. I don't want to hear your fucking voice no more, dude.
Okay, I'll give you another suggestion. If you're having a hard time and you're not able to keep them, if you surrender them, we can take them. All right, would you give your kids? Would you give your children up?
I done gave my kids up 3 times, 3 different times. It's not gonna happen.
But I'm just trying to give you options. I'm sorry.
Oh, look at what we got here, dude. Got more freaking tax money and our fucking tax money wasted, dude.
Still in jail.
Oh, go to jail for what crime, dude? Obstruction, boy, let me stand right over here, then. So I won't obstruct the shit. Crazy, dude. What's up? Am I being detained? Am I being detained? Well, I don't want to talk to you, dude. All right, just constituents. See you, dude. By the way, can I get your name and ID number? You tried to make contact with me? What was that, sir? 103? Thank you. Hey, hon. Am I gonna die today? They gonna take my kid? They gonna take my kids on to die, dude?
No, no.
All right.
My ticket, let me go. So, do I gotta go to court today, or can I just pay it? I can't just pay it.
You can see if I got a court date on there.
I gotta go to court.
All right, we'll go to court. It's all bullshit anyways. They're gonna get sued the fuck out of them, though. It's all right. That's a 1983 case. Tent legal, dude. It's waste of fucking resources, dude. Waste of resources. Got 1477. Okay. You got a tent meter in that thing?
They're running my license plate.
You got a tent meter in that thing? Alright, you see this tyrant right here, though. Look at that fucking tax dollars wasted, dude. Ain't you got something better to do, man? You see that when you ask questions? Yeah. They don't answer no questions, though. Cigarette, man. You got one? I'm paying shit. I wouldn't worry about it. I wouldn't even fucking. Don't even cry, dude. We ain't paying that shit. Professionalism, huh? Pride, huh? Fucking Karens, man. They won't mind their business. Good. I'm being tight. Alright, see you later, though. Well, that's essential contact. Tell them to hurry up. They got $250,000 of my tax money. Y'all got body cam. Y'all ain't got no body cam. I learned that shit. That's for the state, though. You know what I'm saying? We don't apply to the fucking state laws. We're United States citizens, so. Or unless y'all want to call us sovereign citizens, but we all know who the sovereign citizens is here, right? Yeah, won't y'all get back, take my $250,000, take it back to work, do something.
Well, my shift's over with him. That's kind of fucked up.
License. We have a license to have a dog now? Seriously?
I'm going back in and going back to work, so.